We got a 2024 Volvo XC60 key fob here, and I'm going to show you how to open it to replace the battery. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to remove this panel on the front of the remote. There's a button right here that's on the bottom. It's a sliding button. We're going to slide it towards the center, hold it down, then it unlocks the back panel here. Okay, we're going to take this off. If we look inside of here, there is another button right here. Okay, you can see there's a little arrow there. We're going to move that towards the middle, and what that does, that unlocks this panel here, the blank panel. This is where the battery is. So we're going to move that up, unlock it just like we did the other panel. It just moves back and forth. Slide it up, and then you can take it off. Right here is where the battery is located, in this, underneath this door here. You can see it says close, open. We need to turn this counterclockwise until this arrow meets that arrow where it says open. So you're gonna need a screwdriver or something. Might even be able to get away with using a coin, but you're still gonna need a screwdriver. So we're just gonna turn this guy until it gets there. And then we need to carefully pry this out, okay? Having a really thin screwdriver would probably be good here, because they don't really give you a good place to stick this. We just remove this, and the battery will just come falling out. I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery is a CR 2032 battery. Positive sign facing out towards us. Needs to go in these contact parts here and slip underneath, and it locks in. Okay, if you need a battery, check the description box. I have a link to take you to Amazon where you can get a new battery if you want one. And then we're going to line up the little dots again where it says open and open, and we need to turn it clockwise to close. Lock it together like that. Grab the back panel first. We're going to lock it on here. Only goes one way, so you can't really mess this up. Lock on, you hear it kind of snap, click. Same thing with the front panel here. Snap, and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. If you could hit that like button for me, leave me a comment if you could. Hope to see you get another video.